Hey y'all, Simona and I'm back with another wig review and unboxing. So let's jump right into it. So today we have another unit from Soul Lady Wigs, and I love Soul Lady Wigs because last time they hooked your girl up, and I got a feeling they're gonna hook me up again. So today I have a 13x4 HD lace kinky curly 22-inch wig from Soul Lady Wigs, and I'm so geeked about that because for one, I love me a kinky curly unit, and y'all know 22 inches is like the perfect length for me. So let's get into this. And they said it's an HD lace, so let's see what it's talking about. All right, it's in another bag, so let's take it out of this bag now. Okay, so I finally got it unboxed, and here it is. I feel like a kid on Christmas with all these packages, y'all. Look at this. It comes with a cute little Soul Lady bag. I love this bag. Like, this is so freaking cute to me. Look at the details. How freaking cute is that? It's the details for me. And the box is literally just as cute. Like, are you kidding me? So let's unbox it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. And then you got your unit, and of course Soul Lady has their true-scalp bands. And if y'all watch my other Soul Lady video, then y'all know that I am familiar with these bands, and these bands work wonders. So let's get into this unit, shall we? They sent me the kinky curly 13x4 HD lace unit in 24 inches, and this is what it's looking like. And I can just already tell that I'm gonna freaking love this wig. Like, I'm gonna love this wig. No doubt about it. Oh, y'all see that there? 24. Here is the unit, y'all. Let's take off this. Take that out. And y'all, this wig right here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a ball with this. I don't know what it is about Soul Lady wigs, but their wigs are always so soft. Like, the last time I had a wig from this company, the hair was so soft, and I can just tell that this is like the same, where the hair is so soft. It has a very strong smell, but that's not something that really bothers me because I'm used to that. So yeah, it does have a strong smell, but look at this. Just know that once I wash this unit, condition it, and install it, this is gonna look so freaking good. And then y'all, look at the inside. Look at the frontal. They're literally giving you a full frontal. Like, do y'all see the full frontal? And then it kind of looks like it came like pre-bleached and plucked almost, I want to say. Like, you can really put it on just like this. Look at that. Okay, and then there's an adjustable strap in here. I'm loving how all the wig companies are adding these adjustable straps that you can change the length of. And then we have HD lace. So I'm very excited about this wig. And I think that's HD lace for sure. You can't even see that. Yeah. This is the unit, y'all. Super duper excited to install this unit. Y'all stay tuned.
Hey y'all, thank y'all for watching this far and staying tuned. So let's get right into the install. So first, y'all know I'm just cutting off my ear tabs, cutting off the extra lace, and making the lace fit around my ear. And I do this to both sides. So once I do that, I just cut my lace into 4 sections. It makes it easier to lay down, and it makes it easier to cut. And now I'm just parting out where I want my baby hairs at. And when I do these curly wigs, I do like to have a lot of baby hairs most of the time, which is why I'm parting out a lot in the front and parting out a good amount on the sides as well for my sideburn. And y'all, doesn't the hair look so cute, like pinned up like this? I've been wearing this wig like every day, and I wear it to the gym, and I pin it up just like this, and it be looking so cute in the gym, y'all, and it just looks so natural. What I'm doing here is just wiping off my makeup, you know, cleaning my hairline so that my wig can lay down without having any oil or gunk under it, and that it can actually stick. And yeah, I was looking like I look crazy with half my makeup off, like LOL. And then y'all know I'm taking my Even Wonder Lace Bond Spray, my good old go-to, and spraying out all over my hairline, rubbing it in, and then I'm just going to place my lace right on top of that and put that band on, y'all. Y'all know how this go. And then just to make this install easier for myself, y'all know I always like to make the install as easy as possible. I just go ahead and put mousse on the hair and then brush it back, so that once I put on my melting band, the baby hairs can be going one direction, and then the rest of the hair is laying down in the other direction that I want it to lay in. And I'm just cutting my baby hairs out of my face while my band sits, and then I'm going ahead and parting out the middle part and spraying down the hair with a lot of water, and then I'm using Nairobi mousse. I don't think I showed y'all the mousse I was using, but it is Nairobi mousse. You don't have to use Nairobi, but that's just what I have available at the moment. Then I'm taking my brush and brushing it out really good, and I do this part and take my time to make sure that my curls are really defined and juicy, because I like my curls to be defined, juicy, and looking bomb when they dry. And y'all see how it just brushes through, glides through. Oh, so satisfying. I love this part. So I just do that to both sides, and then once that's done, I just let my hair dry. And you really just have to be patient and let the hair dry, y'all. It's gonna take a little minute, but once the hair dries, it's gonna look too good. So while we let the hair dry, the band's been on for about 40 minutes, so I think we can go ahead and style these edges and cut this lace. All right, I knew it was gonna give scalp because it always does, period. So let's go ahead and cut this lace. These baby hairs are so soft. Oh my god, can y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all can just tell and look like how soft they are, and oh my god, they're so soft. And I don't know if this makes sense when I say it, but they just feel kind of like fine as well. Like they're not super thick and like hard and like coarse. They're like fine, like kind of like real baby hairs, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this out the way so we can cut the lace. Just pin that back. Take this razor. This razor is sharp, y'all, because this is a newer razor, and we're just gonna cut this. Scalp. So I'm just taking my razor here and trying to cut it in like a zigzag motion when I'm doing this. Yeah. And y'all, I do think this was an HD lace because the lace melted so good, and it just melted into my skin. Like at one point, you literally can't see the lace on my skin. I'm gonna show you in this next clip. Can y'all see the lace right there? Hold on, do y'all see the lace? Oh, that right there is lace. That's lace, and you can't even see it. Let me get closer up so maybe y'all can see it. All that is lace. Y'all, I've been telling y'all, these wigs I've been getting this summer have just been amazing. Like, they've been so freaking good. Okay, so that's done. Now we're going to get into these baby hairs, and I just really learned how to do these baby hairs. Like, I know exactly how I like my baby hairs to look, and I got it down. Like, so first I'm just going to cut them to the length that I want them to be before I lay them down. Go in with our Nairobi and our edge brush, and let's get into it. So right here, y'all, I'm just really sculpting my baby hairs into place. And I mean, this does take a little minute. Like doing the edges, like at least the way that I like my edges, does take me a little minute. But this is a part that I'm willing to always take my time on, because I feel like this really can make or break your install. Like, do your edges look natural, or do your edges look like edges on a wig? Like, I try my best to make my edges look like very natural, so that is tricky for people to tell whether it's a wig or not. And you know, right now it looks crazy. I know my edges look crazy, but I'm really just more so shaping them right now and trying to like cut them into the length I want as I go. And that's why I keep looking back and forth from my mirror to my camera, because like from different angles it looks different, and I'm just like, okay, it's still too long, and I'm just gonna keep, you know, shaving some off. And you just really shave it to your liking, for how long you want your edges to be, or how short you want them to be. It's really all up to what you like, girl. But like I was saying before, like the edges on this wig were so freaking soft and like fine. It was just so easy to lay these edges down, and they laid so naturally nice, and they just look so good. Like literally, I've been wearing this wig every day, y'all. And I know I be saying that, but every time I install one of these new wigs, I be wearing a wig for like a long time until I install a new one. And this right here is definitely one of my favorite wigs ever. No lie. I wish y'all could actually see me right now wearing it, because I've been wearing this wig everywhere.
Y'all see how bomb that looks?
And I actually could have cut the edges a little shorter, but I ended up doing that like later after the video. You know, like once I came back and looked at them, like, you know, another day. When I'm just sitting there doing them, looking at them sometimes, you know, I like it. Then like I come back the next day and I'm like, well, I just need to cut it some more. So, you know, as the days were going on, I was just kind of playing with the edges a little bit, but that's ultimately how I ended up styling them. And y'all, look at the hair dry. And this is not even the hair fully dry, because it did get a little bit more fuller than this, but this is the middle part. And the curls on this wig are just so freaking beautiful, y'all. Like, I know this hair is not unprocessed like raw hair, but the way they did these curls makes it look so natural. Like, this is a kinky curly wig, and it's so soft and so full at the same time. Like, I love this wig. I've been loving this wig, seriously, y'all. So now I'm just styling it into a side part, and this was very, very easy because it was a full frontal wig like I mentioned before. So all I had to do was just part the frontal on the side and flip it over and wet it. Like, y'all, I just love me some curly hair. Like, a curly wig is so easy to do. And y'all, this is pretty much the end of the install. This is a side part, and right here it's not fully dry, but it looks so freaking good already. And yeah, y'all, this is how the hair turned out, and this is just some bomb hair. Like, look at the hairline. Look at it. Like, that's literally giving real hair. I could fool a lot of people into thinking this is my real hair, because this wig is just that freaking good. And as y'all can see, I was really feeling this hair. Like, every time I finish these installs, y'all, I just be feeling myself, especially when it's a curly wig like this that just looks so natural. Like, I was feeling myself too bad. Like, I was like, this might not be good, because the way I'm feeling myself right now, prepare to be sick of me.
I cannot get over how bomb this wig looks. Like, thank you, Soul Lady, for this wig, because like, are y'all, like, do I even have to say anything? Does anything need to be said? No, because I'm really giving it to the girls. Like, I really been giving it to y'all. Like, these wigs, first of all, these wigs been giving it to me, because this wig right here, chef's kiss, 10 out of freaking 10. Like, look at the fullness on this unit, y'all. Look at the curls on this unit. This is my real hair. They asked me, oh my god, is that a wig? Nope, it's my real hair. Where'd you get your wig from? Girl, this is my real hair. Like,
and y'all can see this is the hair once it fully dried. And like, do y'all see the volume and the fullness, the density of this wig?
Yeah, 10 out of freaking 10.
Immaculate.
Literally 10 out of 10. I cannot get over this, y'all. And what I really do love about this wig is that it's a full frontal. Like, y'all see how far my part is over here, how deep my side part is? Look at all this lace over here. All of this over here is, all of this is lace. All of this, literally all of this is lace. It's a full frontal, y'all. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of hairstyles with this wig. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this wig, and I love this unit. If y'all looking for a full frontal kinky curly unit that looks very realistic, like this right here, this unit right here, 10 out of 10. It's so soft, it's fluffy. The hair is freaking full. Like, y'all can look at the hair and tell this hair is full. And I think this hair is true to length, so 10 out of 10. The baby hairs are so, like, I don't know how to explain it. They're not like very coarse and like thick and hard, but like they're very fine and they're very easy to lay, and they look very realistic to real baby hairs to me. So I don't know if the hair in the front is like a finer, softer texture, but the quality of this wig is just out of this world. And I'm not being dramatic when I say that. This is paid promotion and this is sponsored, but I would tell y'all the truth. If I didn't like the wig, I love this wig. I literally love this, and I just really been loving these kinky curly wigs lately. Like, y'all know I got the one from QVR hair. That was bomb, but this wig right here, maybe it's because this one is a full frontal, but this might got QVR beat, and I'm being honest, okay? I'm gonna be honest in my reviews. The full frontal, the fullness of this wig, the other wig was full too, and that other wig was bomb, but this one right here for the full frontal, 11 out of 10. Y'all, I really do believe that when you look good, like, you feel good, and you feel better, like, you perform better, you feel better. I really do believe in that. So I'm all about, you know, investing in your looks and looking good so that you can feel good and you can feel better, perform better. I love getting dolled up and getting cute, and y'all know I don't be paying a lot of money. I be doing my own nails, and look how bomb they be coming out. Yeah, I got the gel kit right down here in my room. Yeah, y'all, I'm all about investing in a good wig. Is, you know, that'll be easier for you like it is for me. And they also look so good. Like, not only are they good for your hair and like they're a good protective style, but a good wig just looks so good to me, and it just makes everything like from here to here. Okay, when I get my hair done, you can't tell me nothing, like, literally.
Moral of the story is, y'all need to go get y'all this wig, because this wig right here is bomb, and like, I just love this wig so much, and everybody's been loving this wig. I posted this on my Instagram story, and everybody was like, where is this from? Like, literally people was eating this up, and I'm loving it too. So thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all so ladies for this wig, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.